Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising. Ayan. So, tingnan natin yung energies for you ngayong July 2026. This is a general reading. Pwede kang makarelate, pwede hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, Aquarius. What is the energy for Aquarius ngayong July 2026? Uranus, rebellion. Oh, breaking free. May kakawala ka. Kakawala. Kumakawala. O, yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay nasa sitwasyon, relationship, na gusto mo nang umalis dyan. Kasi feeling mo, ikaw ay nakakulong. Walang growth, feeling stuck sa isang relationship, feeling stuck sa isang career. Now, ngayong July, you are breaking free. Pwede nga tong yung parang yung bigla na lang. Oo, may trigger, matitrigger ka. Especially that Uranus is in in Gemini. Conjunct siya sa Mars. Biglaan yan. Transformation, change. And Pluto is also in Aquarius. Oh my God. Oh, kumusta kayo, Aquarius? 'Di ba? So you are about to change your life drastically ngayong July. It's time. May endings, may new beginnings. It's liberation. Ayan. Pagpapalaya sa iyong sarili. Your energy is the moon. Some of you can be emotional during this time. Medyo mabigat talaga, alam naman natin yan pag gano'n. Na, lalo na kung nakasanayan mo ng isang sitwasyon, relationship, connection. Pero alam mo sa sarili mo na ang bigat na ng energy ng pagstay doon eh. No? It's time to break free, try new things, let go. You may feel emotional, but that's what you need eh. Yan talaga yung kailangan mo eh. Some of you pwedeng meron kayong Cancer sign, Cancer placements, or Scorpio placements. What is the moon? Ace of Wands. 'Di ba? You are excited. You are alam mo yung merong malalim na emosyon na sobrang excited to start, magsimula na. Ayan, that's your energy. Syempre, di naman wag rin mamadaliin. Kasi pag minadali, most of the time nagkakamali. So lang, go with the flow. If you really want freedom, then this is it. Ito na yon. What is your challenge? The Page of Wands. Ang challenge mo talaga yung manindigan sa sarili mo. Kasi pwedeng may tendency ka pa na, okay, ito yung energy mo, ito yung gusto mong gawin, tapos biglang, oops, teka lang muna, nakakakaba. Alam mo yung, parang lulusong sa tubig. Na ididip mo yung isa mong paa, tapos susubukan mo, tapos biglang babawiin mo, ganun. So, that is your challenge. You have to ask yourself, sigurado ka na ba? 'Di ba? Ready ka na ba? Tick-tock, tick-tock. Ready ka na ba, Aquarius? 'Di ba? Kung ito'y nagpapahirap sa'yo mentally, emotionally, spiritually, then it's time to let go. Ikaw lang nagpapahirap sa sarili mo. 'Di ba? Ito na yung sign that you have to let it go. Now, your opportunity, the Knight of Swords. Ipaglalaban mo yung sarili mo rito. Ito yung time na kung dati nananahimik ka, You're trying to be, parang walang pakialam. Pero ngayon, mas may pakialam ka na. Oo. May paninindigan ka na. Meron ka ng compassion and love for what you really believe in. I also see here na may opportunity ka na to be more, to be more, not actually emotional, but more sensitive sa feelings mo, sa feelings ng ibang tao. Mas nagiging receptive ka na natatanggap mo or nararamdaman mo or nakikita mo yung totoong intensyon ng isang tao sa'yo. Now, your blessing. The Tower. Unexpected blessing to. Oh my God, look. Ten of Pentacles. The Tower. Blessing. Money. Merong pera na parating. Unexpected money coming in for you, Aquarius. Kumbaga ano to eh. Kasi ang The Tower is like breaking kung ano yung mga dati pa. Like, ano to? Parang, yun nga, parang building na matanda na building na hindi na siya safe. So, kailangan i-demolish para matayuan ng bago. That's the blessing for you na merong i-demolish, i-let go to welcome more abundance in your life. Wow, mas nagpapalakas ka ngayon ng pangangatawan mo. Part ng discipline mo rin yan sa sarili mo. Kumbaga mas alam mo kung ano yung goals mo ngayon, mas determinado ka, mas disiplinado ka. Yan, Capricorn energy. Merong destruction. So I think this is, para ano to eh, yung dating ikaw, no? It's like you are destroying the old you para i-rebirth mo yung bagong ikaw. So definitely major transformation. Wow. So meron ditong sharing with others, like a community. So pwedeng meron kang mga sasalihang community or groups wherein you are really resonating with their energies. Yung mga taong alam mo na nakakaintindi sa'yo. Meron ding passion. I think, ano to eh, yung parang meron kang pagre-rebelde in a good way na may ipinaglalaban ka. Hindi lang para sa sarili mo, but for a cause. Like for your family, for your friends, for your community. Power. The ability to suck it up is not a superpower. Saying no is own your power. This is basically your message, Aquarius. You're owning your own power. Hindi ka na magtsatsaga, magtitiis sa mediocre, like sa pwede na, no? Para sa'yo, you want to be in control of your life and step into your own power. Diba? So, that's your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.